Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. So for today's video, as from the title you have already guessed, it is going to be all about my teeny tiny diet changes that I did so that my skin gets cleared up. So without stretching the intro too long, let's just get started with the video. So for the first thing which I incorporated or just bought a change in my diet is having a lot of ghee, and that too desi ghee. It's not that the processed ghee or that. I make sure whenever I cook my meals at least twice to thrice a week, I make the entire dish in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of desi ghee. And this is a very big myth that ghee can make you fat. In my case, that didn't happen, but incorporating ghee is something which not only makes the dish very tasty but also helps you to take care of your skin. The second case, what I did is I make sure I have at least 2 to 3 liters of water, but in this winters I'm saying that I'm not able to consume more than 2 to 2.5 liters of water. Make sure you keep a bottle like this. This is 1500 ml, which means 1.5 liter of water. So make sure wherever you go you take this with you and try to finish at least 2 bottles of this. I finish at least 1.5 bottles of this, which means 2 liters of water during the winters, and in summers I try to have more and more, which is at least 2.5 bottles of this, which means around 3.5 liters. So yeah, this also helped me a lot to clear up my skin. So the third thing which I did is incorporating more of pulses, since they are a great source of protein. And also I am kind of a vegetarian. It's not that I am vegetarian since I was born. No, I am vegetarian past a few years because my stomach is allergic to protein. People are lactose intolerant. I am protein intolerant, it seems. So I have shifted to dals like pulses and stuff like that. Also it helped me to clear out. So the fourth thing which I did was cutting down my consumption of too much of salt, too much of sugar, and too much savory and spicy food. I just cut down those because if it is good for my skin, then I'll definitely do it. The next change that I bought in my diet is a bit, I may say it will be a bit controversial because not every time this thing works for people. I started having hell lot of dairy products. I know people say when you have acne you should not have dairy products, but I think incorporating cheese, ghee, milk brought a hell lot of change in my skin. Previously I used to have proteins which are animal proteins, but now I have animal protein in the form of paneer, milk, ghee. So I don't know how did this happen, but like bringing these changes brought change in my skin. Now these were the diet changes I bought. Please don't ask me how did this happen. When I started shifting from the animal protein which I had before and to the animal proteins which I have now, that made a major difference in my skin, and I am kind of satisfied with what I did. Moving on to some lifestyle changes which I did. So I work out 6 days a week for 15 to 20 minutes and I make sure I at least sweat a bit. The second thing which I did is not stressing out over things that I break out here and there, and everywhere there is bump when I stress out. Situations in life are not at all static. They do get sometimes bad, sometimes good, but most of the times it is very fluctuating, I may say, and that's how our stress level also goes up and down. I make sure to meditate every day for at least 10 minutes so that I am a bit calmed down. That also brought a huge change in my skin. I don't know how. Like, you may think
it is what is she saying, this can't happen,
but trust me, this happened. the day I started meditating, at least after a month or 1.5 months, I started seeing a major change in my skin. These were the changes that I did in my diet and in my lifestyle to see some visible changes on my skin. I know my body type, I know my system inside, so those are the things which I did according to my body type. I did a lot of research and then only I did. Please don't blindly follow my tips. You can just do a research a bit, how can diet changes bring a change in your acne story. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video / vlog. Till then, good vibes to you and your family. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay positive. Bye bye.